Hi everybody, I'm doing a bike check, and yeah, I guess I'll go from the front, because people do that. Okay, fly nylon bar-ends that I got from Keegan, my friend. ODI long necks, nitrous, OG bars, they're like 8.25 high, 27 wide I think, but yeah, they're pretty cool. Here's the price, they're like 25 bucks, I don't know. Doesn't get better. And fly Alta top load stem with some spacers, and fit shiv 2 forks, custom hub guard, Pyramid BMX hub guard. Go like Pyramid BMX on Facebook, and yeah, just do that for me if you want to. And Colt Doomsday Peg, Alienation PBR, Rem, Stock Hub, Fit FAF, that's backwards because I'm retarded and put on backwards, and Odyssey Twisted PCs, pedals, and FBM crank arms with a fit shaft thing, life, sprocket, it's pretty cool. Fit PCP seat, and just stock seat post. I mean, who needs a custom seat post? Alienation Black Sheep rim, ASO stock hub, Odyssey guy peg from like forever ago, FBM hub guard, and I have a mixture of like Huffy and Fit and FBM spokes, just crap, and pure broken, and then one pulled through the rim. So. And a shout out to Windsurf Ben, the Luca BMX, and Vicky Ella. Oh yeah, and I have slime tubes, but you probably don't care. And yeah, I'll do some clips.